Hi. It's after Thanksgiving, and for Thanksgiving, pie crusts were on sale, and it was like buy one get one free. So I have some extra pie crusts, and we're gonna be making some hazelnut spread turnovers, not Nutella turnovers. Big difference. Anyways, turnovers are like the triangle things with the stuff in them. Usually it's like apple or cherry or something, but we're putting hazelnut spread in. So we're gonna start by cutting these boys into squares. Well, this one. I already made the other one, and then I was like, wait, why am I not recording this? Anyways. Pachow. Square cutting time. Good enough. Okay. Then we're gonna put this on the baking sheet. The bacon. Parchment paper and a pan. But we need to find a place to put everything. You're in the way. Why don't you move? Huh? Parchment paper. Good enough. I want this to be a little fancier here. Oh, what I learned, by the way, if you have one where you have it all like pieced together like that, you should put the gobbledygook on the pieced together piece, because you have to pick up the other side and it falls apart. Fancy stuff, man. And ideally they'd all be the same size so they cook the same way, but whatever. Okay, now we got our pan of stuff, and we're gonna chuck that in the, we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna do that like 10 minutes ago. And then we're gonna chuck it in there. Now, I already did this. Hold on, let me wash my hands. Enough. Now, I already did this once, as I think I mentioned before. It's still a little toasty, whatever. And they took 17 minutes at 400 degrees. This one looks awful. So we'll eat this one. And some of the Nutella kind of burnt because it leaked out. Oh well, I mean hazelnut spread, sorry. No Nutella. This one's too much crust. That one's gonna be good. You know what? Let's just eat that one, so I can tell you how good I am. I wish I would have done these edges better. Yeah, because they kind of came apart. These ones I just pressed together and whatever. This one you can really see it. Didn't the edges don't look fancy, I guess is what I'm saying. So whip, whip, whip. Oh yeah, bud. That's what you want. A blurry one. Bon appetit. Real good. I like them. Very good. Would make again. Ooh. It's 3:30, so I'm going to take those out at like 3:47-ish. I don't know. I'd say check them at 10 minutes. Maybe they're done as much as you want them, but these ones I left in for 17 minutes. So maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know. Do I look like a chef? I mean, I am a chef, but whatever. I'll see you next time. Maybe, if there is a next time. And by see you next time, I mean see you in 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 minutes. See, it's been 17 minutes. Oh! Whatever. They're behind me. And they look about done to me. Good enough. We're gonna grab the handy dandy old elf glove. Patent pending. Actually, I'm sure it's patented by now. I've changed my mind. They need more time. Okay. Doodly doodly doo 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 doo. Focus. Whatever. You saw it was 49, right? And that's how they look. Now they're done. Because that little one's getting awful dark. By awful dark, I mean golden brown. Ooh, almost slipped off. That's okay. Little boy's getting pretty brown. Anyways, that was 19 minutes. Yeah, that's how you make those. Oh, something I thought of with the other ones. First of all, do the edges like that more instead of just kind of pushing them. I think I kind of did that with all of these. But yeah, it looks better. I don't know if it tastes better. And put more in there, because a couple of those had like 2 bites of nothing but crust. Like the corners there, like that's gonna be nothing but crust. So put more in there. Oh well, that was fun. And they're good. Easy to make. Now I'll see you next time, maybe. Haha.